Say hello to Joe. Billions of people around the world start their day with a cup of delicious coffee. But did you know that coffee comes from the berry of a tropical plant that grows primarily between the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn? This is referred to as the coffee belt. Within the coffee belt are over 35 countries that produce a wide variety of coffee beans. Remember, coffee is actually a seed from the berry, not a bean. But who wants to drink coffee seeds? There are many species of coffee plants, but the two most common that make up most of coffee produced each year are Robusta and Arabica. Robusta is much more resilient than Arabica. It can grow at lower altitudes and survive with less rainfall. It has about twice the caffeine as Arabica, is resistant to various plant diseases and pests. But unfortunately, it tastes like a wet paper sack. Which brings us to Arabica. Arabica coffees make up over 85% of commercial coffees produced. It grows best in high altitudes. It's more aromatic and much richer and flavorful. That is one king bean. But not all Arabica coffees taste alike. Remember, coffee seeds come from the berry, and like any fruit, it tastes of where it grew. Soil and climate of a specific region affect the growing conditions of coffee plants and the flavor and quality of the coffee beans. To describe the basic coffee flavor characteristics, let's take the 35 coffee growing countries and combine them into 3 basic regions. First, the African Arabia coffees with often a fruity aroma and winey citrusy taste. Then there's the Asian, Indonesia, and Pacific with a spicy aroma and an earthy taste. Lastly, Central and South America coffees with a nutty, chocolatey, mild taste. But this is not always the standard for these regions. Flavors can also be influenced by the processing method, the type of roast the bean will receive, how the coffee drinker will brew the beans, along with creamers, sugars, and syrups, and of course the water used for brewing. Food can also play a part in your coffee flavor enjoyment. Try a piece of chocolate with Kenya, or a banana with a cup of Guatemalan coffee. So good and good for you too. There is a variety of coffee flavors to enjoy, and adventure awaits in every cup. So say hello to Joe.